Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a rebuilt drum unloader or drum ram as they're sometimes called by Graco. It's their Bulldog model. It's automatically operated. The unit has been completely rebuilt. You'll see it's a stainless steel sanitary design, has a stainless steel platen on it. Has its features and controls over here. We have a separate line running to operate the pump and a separate system to run the ram up and down. We filled the drum here with water just to show you real quickly how it operates. So what we're going to do, we're going to lower the drum ram down into the drum, and you'll see that we have an up position. We're sitting right now. There's a neutral position, and then you can go down here and bring the ram slowly into the drum. You can throttle this a little bit too by pushing it in and out. And it does take a second because these are very tight fitting on the interior walls. And as you go in, you want to open this up a little bit. This is a small pressure valve, and you'll hear air coming out of it as well. So that releases the air that is below the ram. When you get down to your fluid level, you'd want to close it. And also, on the discharge of the pump, we place the valve here. And when you open the valve, you'll hear the air is releasing from inside the ram. We're going to open the valve. It'll run down to the liquid level. And we're going to turn our pump on. See, we're getting a very nice flow. All right, so now in order to running it, now when it creates a siphon here, once it starts pumping it, because we're using a light fluid, normally this would be for thicker materials. Then you go back to the neutral position. You want to make sure that your valve is closed. And also there's a secondary line you see going down in here, and this is to open your air, which then goes in underneath the platen. It also feeds air off the two rams, so as you start to go up, it'll apply air underneath the ram and assist it in rising up out of the drum. Because naturally, when completed, you're going to have an empty drum which isn't as heavy. And with the assistance of that air, it glides right up. And you can see it's necessary to close the valve at the end of the line because that will allow this air to leak out and not allow the drum to raise up. Now once we come up, you'll hear the air flowing in, and we can close that right there with that small valve. You can relocate these valves as needed, make it more automatic or semi-automatic as you need. The unit's completely rebuilt. We have others in stock like this as well. We do have them often. They're a very popular drum unloader, and one of the first of its kind. And Graco's been around for many years, and it's a very reputable manufacturer. Thank you for joining us for this video today. We hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.